Hello, in this video, we are going to be solving a tricky nice algebra problem. We are to find the value of x and y. Without further delay, let us begin. Solution: x raised to y minus y raised to x is equal to 17. The trick here is that we are going to multiply both power by 2 over 2. So that will be x raised to y times 2 over 2 minus y raised to x times 2 over 2 equal to 17. Let's continue. If we take these two inside the bracket, we have x raised to y over 2 times 2 minus. If we also take these two inside the bracket, we have y raised to x over 2 times 2 equal to 17. Let p equal to x raised to y over 2 and q equal to y raised to x over 2. This means that in place of this, we just write p square minus, in place of this guy, we also write q, so we have q square equal to 17. P square minus q square is a derivative of 2 square, which is p plus q times p minus q equal to 17. Firstly, let's consider 17. 17 could be written as 17 times 1. We can also write 17 as 1 times 17. Now, let us consider the left hand side. You will see that it is very obvious that p plus q is greater than p minus q. That means for us to have a good comparison, we have to consider 17 equals to 17 times 1 and ignore this. So we have p plus q times p minus q equal to, instead of writing 17 now, we now write 17 times 1, 17 times 1. Let's isolate this. By comparing, compare p plus q will be equal to 17 and p minus q is equals to 1. So p plus q is equal to 17. This is the first equation. The second equation is p minus q equal to 1. Equation 2. We can solve these two equations by adding them together. P plus p, that is 2p. Q minus q, that is 0, equal to 17 plus 1, that is simply 18. Divide both sides by 2, p is equal to 9. To get the value of q, let's plug the value of p into this equation 2. So that will be 9 minus q equal to 1. This means that q is equal to 9 minus 1. So our value of q is equal to what? 8. This is the value of q. Y, this is the value of p. Now, let's manage this side. Since p is equal to x to the power of y over 2, let me show you where we got this from. It's basically from this line. So, this means that what is p? P is 9. So, we have 9 equal to x raised to y over 2. If we square both sides, we have 9 square equal to x raised to y over 2 times 2. What is 9 square? That is 81 equal to, this right hand side could be written as x raised to y over 2 times 2. Clearly, 2 cancels 2. We are left with 81 equal to x raised to y. 81 also could be written as 3 raised to 4 equal to x raised to y. If we compare the base, x is clearly equal to 3, and if we compare the power, y is equal to 4. Just take note of this. Similarly, as we did for p, let's manage this side. Since q is equal to y raised to x over 2, let me show you where we got this from. It's basically from this line. Let's continue. This means that what is q? The value of q is 8. So we have 8 equal to y raised to x over 2. Take a square of both sides. That will be 8 square equal to y raised to x over 2 times 2. What is 8 square? That is 64 equal to, this right hand side could be written as y raised to x over 2 times 2. And clearly, 2 cancels 2. We are left with 64 equal to y raised to x. You will see that this 64 could be written as 4 to the power of 3 equal to y raised to x. Similarly, if we compare the base, y is equal to 4. And if we compare the power, our value of x is equal to 3. You will notice that this is the two values we also obtained when we consider p. X equals to 3, y equals to 4. The same thing occurred here. X equals to 3 and y is equals to 4. That means, therefore, the value of x is equals to 3 and the value of y is equals to 4. At this stage, it is good to verify our solution. Verify. Original question says x raised to y minus y raised to x is equal to 17. So, what is x? X is 3. We have 3. What is y? Y is 4. We have 4 minus y. Y is simply 4. X is simply 3 equal to 3 raised to 4 is 81 minus 4 raised to 3 is 64. Sorry, 64. This equal to 81 minus 64, that is simply 17. This is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. That means, indeed, our value of x and y are respectively 3 and 4. That's it. Thanks for watching.